Friday, March 25th, and I'm gonna buy some Netflix 370 puts here at 624. These are the puts into next week. And on the 15-minute chart, this is kind of an end of the day kind of trade that I just want to make. Um, you can see here price, I'll show you in a minute, the bigger picture moved down early in the session. We rallied all the way up back to the close, and then we're kind of starting the reversal back down again. So I bought the puts here when price was at the blue line. Here's the strike price. In the bigger picture, what I'm anticipating here, if you look at the Netflix chart and all the various time frames, this was a big reversal week last week, and we couldn't follow through at all to the upside this week at all when other stocks were moving up, at least for a couple of days, and Netflix has done nothing. So it seems to me, we want to broaden. The trend is down, and we want to, go a little bit lower again to find buyers. The buyers it was maybe short covering, new buying, but whatever it is, it didn't follow through. And then on today, you have the 2 down day. So I'm looking for this type of action to broaden out lower next week, a little below, at least to test like the 366.43 area is the low. Before we head higher, it's kind of to me, whether it is or technically is or it isn't, it looks like an inside kind of bar. So it looks like the type of thing, because of the big down opening here and heading lower and the selling that came in, and then the little rally up that couldn't really take out the close of yesterday. I just want to see if we close really weak on the day. That's kind of what I'm looking for. There's only an hour to go in the session, and we are moving lower. And those options are already up to 660 that I just bought at 624. So, that's kind of what I'm looking for. It's just kind of a small gain here towards the end of the day. I just sense the market itself is going to close weak. We have a potential even 50% rule if it really wants to collapse here in the last hour. But this is one of the weaker stocks, and I just want to see if it kind of collapses a little bit into the Friday close for short-term gains here. You could also possibly hold those over the weekend. I don't think I'm going to do that. I just sense that because next week we probably will head lower, and because of this rally up here, that's about all price I think was going to go up after this big down move. I have a feeling we could collapse into the close, and if so, those options can really close nicely, and if not, I'll kind of come close to break even. So I just wanted to show you that type of trade, and we'll see. I'll just watch these next 3 or 4 red final 15-minute bars here, and hopefully they'll just be red below the strike price into that low area. That should be a nice gain on the options.